And that is exactly what this Cosium Plus device is. Now, this particular device is crafted from medical silicone, therefore it possesses a remarkably soft and flexible elasticity. Okay, so this part enters the inside of the nose, and this will stimulate the pressure point. And as it curls inward like this, the expanding force will then work to widen the space inside the nose. Now, let's take a moment to see how it's used. Alright, first you hook it onto the inside of the nose, just like this. And then you hold it like this, ensuring that the tip of the nose smoothly glides into the inside, allowing it to gently insert completely into the nose. Then you bend this side like this as well, and gently slide it completely into the nasal passage.